Today I'm making steamed chicken with Chinese herbs. After cooking, the chicken is soft and tender and the sauce is naturally sweet from the chicken and the herbs. If you like something simple and delicious, I think you'll love this recipe. So let's get started. Now, before we move on with the video, I just want to clarify that this is not the typical herbal chicken dish that you might have tried at a restaurant. This is just how I would cook a steamed chicken with some herbs, with some simple herbs at home whenever I want a simple meal. Okay, now that we've established that, let's prep the chicken. Here I have 2 whole chicken legs. We're going to wash it thoroughly with water and then we're going to marinate it with some salt. Rinse the chicken thoroughly with water. Whenever you're making steamed dishes, you need to make sure that the meat is thoroughly cleaned so that it doesn't release some bad odor after steaming. Here you can see that there are some red clots here. You need to remove that. Then marinate the chicken with some salt. I'm also going to add some cornstarch. This is going to help soften the surface of the chicken. And add a bit of oil. This is going to lock in the moisture while the chicken is steaming. Okay, and we're going to let this marinate for about half an hour. While waiting for the chicken, let's prep the herbs. I'm going to add only 3 types of herbs in this recipe. The first is Solomon seal. In Cantonese, we call this yuk chok. It's going to add so much sweetness to the dish. You should be able to find it at the supermarket or any shop that sells Chinese herbs. And nowadays it is labeled very well, so you will be able to see Solomon seal labeled on the packaging. The goji berries are also sweet and it's going to add that subtle sourness that's going to balance the overall flavour of the dish. And here we also have some red dates. Just remember to remove the pit from the red dates. Just make sure you rinse the herbs thoroughly with water before using them. Place all the herbs in a heat-proof plate. Spread it out. Then place the chicken on top. Then add some water. Pour the water around the chicken. And that's it. Okay, the chicken's ready. Now all we need to do is assemble ingredients and then place it in the steamer to steam. Okay, once the water is boiling, place the chicken into the steam rack. Then reduce the heat and steam on low heat for 1 to 1.5 hours or until the chicken turns soft and tender. Okay, it's done. Wow, it smells so good. Okay, this chicken is soft and tender. And the sauce is so delicious. It's rich and naturally sweet from the chicken and the herbs. This recipe is so simple and the dish is just so full of flavor. You have to try this. See you next time.